How to cancel flight in booking.com. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can cancel flight in booking.com. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is open up your web browser and simply type in booking.com. After you do that, you'll need to then simply log in into your account. After you log in into your account, you will see different options on the top dashboard here. So there, tap on flights. After you tap on the flights option, it will take you to another page like this. And here you will be able to see your booked flights. So after you find the flight that you want to cancel, you can simply tap on the flight and their options. And there you'll find the cancel button as well. Simply tap on the cancel button and you'll have canceled your flight. And it's basically that simple. Now, if your cancellation is refundable, you'll get refund. And if it's not, you might have to pay a few extra fine to get the refund as well. So yeah, other than that, it's really simple to cancel flights. And that is all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye. Take care.